Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, strong calls are being made for a revised meaning for the word rape.
The current legal definition in Jamaica suggests that only a female can be violated in that regard, leaving male victims unable to benefit from the justice system.
Romardo Lyons has the details.
Disappointing and inadequate. Two words that have been used to describe the treatment of rape in Jamaica. Specifically, the definition, which says a man commits the offense if he has sexual intercourse with a woman without her consent or reckless disregard for her consenting. In the House of Representatives on Tuesday, Member of Parliament for St. Anne South East, Lisa Hanna, in essence asked, what about the other gender?
In our law, it is only a man that can rape a woman. And a man cannot experience rape in Jamaica, whether by a man or by a woman, which is presenting a legislative dilemma, creating inequitable legal consequences.
During the next sitting, she will move the motion to modify the legal definition of sexual intercourse and change the law to give men and boys who are abused redress. One attorney at law responded with two words, well needed.
As at current, there is no recourse for men who were subjected to anal penetration by a penis. Because when you look to the Sexual Offences Act, and one takes even a cursory looks at it, there's no protection afforded for persons who fall into that specific category.
Children's advocate Diane Gordon Harrison is often asked for comments on young girls who are raped. The issue is not inexistent where boys are concerned, just not recognized by law.
We do have some limitations in terms of certainly the range of the sentence and the commission of the act. And so I think certainly it's a very interesting and novel position, certainly in terms of the traditional, interpretation and definitions within the law. And so I look forward to where this debate leads. But certainly, I'm always one that says that where we have victims of whatever gender of whatever sex, who have been violated, certainly justice demands that they get their fair day in court.
With legal definitions unchanged for centuries, many boys and men who have been abused are left to suffer in silence. Many don't come forward. Now, there's the charge of buggery, but that in itself is another dilemma.
The stigma attached to the act of buggery, many persons wouldn't want to be a complainant in an act for buggery. So putting this amendment or this bill through Parliament certainly will help to destigmatize victims and empowering victims to let them know that it is okay, it was not your fault, and this is something that the government and the Jamaican people recognize is worthy of protection.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force recorded approximately 6,600 rape incidents between 2011 and 2020. So could rape statistics be even more alarming if this is achieved?
It certainly remains a possibility where if persons feel empowered to know that there's legislation to protect them and persons advocating for their rights, certainly I anticipate that there will be an increase, because any number right now would be an increase, because as at right now the number of reported male rape cases in Jamaica is 0.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.
Be good.